Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can log into CapCut PC using your social media. I'm just going to use TikTok for today's video. So it is pretty simple. If you're not on the homepage, let's just go back here to like a video first. So go to menu, go back to homepage, and then as you can see, there's going to be a sign in button. You're going to select sign in. And you are going to select whichever one you want to use. I'm going to select sign in with TikTok, and it's going to bring me to the TikTok authorization section. You're going to then hit continue, and you're going to select open. If you haven't signed in, you will have to log in again. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!